and welcome back. I'm Bax Passionate. Welcome to my channel. Yes, we are. It is the 24th of December and in a few hours we will start Christmas celebration. As you can see, I'm not ready. I just washed my hair and I will soon make a beautiful makeup and put a lovely dress on. But I wanted to make this video to wish you and your family and your friend a very Merry Christmas. From my whole heart, I wish you all the best for this Christmas celebration, wherever you are in the world, and not especially to Christian people. I wish this wonderful time to anyone who love each other person, and wants to celebrate happiness. I also want to thank you all for the support to my channel. It really matters the world for me, and I got a lovely community, and I love you, my friends, seriously. So just this little video to wish you all the best for this special period. God bless you, your family and your friend. Have a wonderful time. Have fun, have joy, and above all, have love. I love you and we see us soon. Bye bye.